Hello. So you have received an email on Outlook. You are using a Mac, and this is from Sigilium about a new signature that you have to install. So today I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to do to get to enjoy it. Let's get to it. So right here, we're on Outlook, and I have received the exact same email as you. It is in French, but it's pretty much the same. So it is from Sigilium, addressed to you, and you have a signature going on. But if you open a new email, you don't get to enjoy it just yet. So back to the email, you get to the bottom of it. You have a button, edit or install. And once you click it, you get to the website, same signature, and okay. And so now you get to choose your support. So it's either a computer or a phone. Today we're on a computer, Outlook, and Mac. You get to download the app that you need. So today, as you can see, we already have screenshots as a tutorial, but it's in French, and it was very important to have a video as well, and to have it in English for those who don't speak French. Alright, download is complete, and now you can find it right here, Finder, and on the left side you have apps, and Sigilium is right here. Once it's downloaded, it appears on the top, and that's where we get to open it. You have to enter your email, and once you check it, you receive a code. So bear with me, I will retrieve the code as we speak so that we can do it together. Oh good, alright. I have my code right here. Okay, bear with me, the pop-up ruined it. Okay, so the code is right here. I get to copy and paste, and then I can connect. Alright, so the signature appears again, just for you to make sure that everything is okay. You can edit it later, it will be the subject of another video. And when you check that box and you say yes, your signature is uploaded to Outlook. So we'll get back to it right here. Okay, you go to the settings, signature, and you can see that it appears right here. Alright, all good. Again, everything you need just to check. Everything's all good. And you want it to apply to all the new messages. Let's do that. And you also have reply and transfers. Oh, great. And now, big reveal. It's here, so you get to enjoy it. Alright, so feel free to ask if you need help. We are happy to do so, and I'll see you on the next one.